Hello and welcome back to EQB Cooking. Well, it's not going to be EQB Cooking that much longer. Yeah, just even how I'm even struggling to say it. It's been EQB Cooking doesn't really roll off the tongue well, and a bunch of different things. And also, I like the idea that one of my coworkers, Mark, came up with better. But this is what it's going to be for now. It's not going to be that much of a change. It's going to be, instead of EQB Cooking, it is going to be put to practice cooking. So I figured it was a better name. He had a great idea for it. I think it's better because it's everything we're going to be doing on this channel is either going to be a first time recipe, something I have already experimented with or am experimenting with, or I'm going to be making one that's completely by itself and we're going to put to practice. So I figured it was a better name and it fits a bit better and rolls up the tongue a little bit better. So it's going to be put to practice cooking. So hope you guys enjoy it. There's just going to be slight changes, so probably won't even notice it. And obviously when you're in the future, you won't even care about it. So at this point, enjoy put to practice cooking and enjoy all the recipes that are to come. Thank you.